It was just a real quick question. I was just thinking when I'm just testing this, I don't want to obviously do all 10,000 records for each loop. So I was wondering, is there a way to just do like 10? So I saw the for loop, but then I'm wondering how does it know that that's the item, that's the list in the for loop? Because when I go to edit, it doesn't tell you, okay, where's your list? So I just want to know, is this the
Okay,
right way? Would I have to do this?
sure thing. Circuit breaker. Let's scroll up above your current for each loop.
Yeah.
Above number 4 and below number 3, let's add a new item. So like at the very bottom of number 3, give me a plus. We're gonna do data manipulation and create a variable. We'll call it counter for lack of a better description. And the values can be 0. And then we'll say save. And then inside your for each loop, you see where we have stop and debug?
Yep.
Give me a plus there. And we're going to add another item. It's going to be under data manipulation. We're going to do math, and we're going to add. We're going to add 1 to your counter. Right? The existing variable is going to be the counter, and you're just going to tick it up by 1. Right? So basically, after the first one, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after that, you give another plus. You do an if then.
Oh,
As you can tell, we've done this kind of thing before. So
cool.
conditional, yeah, there you go. And then that's going to be if the counter is greater than, you know, 10. I don't know.
Which one's greater than that one?
That one, yeah.
Yeah.
Eat the bigger number. Okay, and then say save, and inside there, and this becomes the key to it. You say then. You go to data manipulation. You go to your loops, and you choose break. See loop break that terminates the
Yeah.
loop. Right, that
Cool.
way it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Bail out of your
Nice.
loop.
I like it. Cool. And that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. That was it. Thank you.
Absolute pleasure, sir.
Any other questions from anyone else? Awesome. Well, we can go ahead and call it a few minutes early here. Big thanks to Ray Deck for helping out, and please check out his website, statechange.ai. He holds office hours like this on the daily, solving the hardest problems with no code in your app building journey. So definitely
Yeah,
check
just
that
follow the
resource
month
out.
with that. Thanks, guys.
Yeah,
Cool.
thank you,
Yeah.
everyone. Appreciate it.
Thanks for your time, as always. Appreciate it.
Cool. Thanks, everyone.
See ya.
I'm gonna go join room 2. See if they're still going in there.
Yep.